Hey,
Hey,
what you doing?
playing Nebula Surfer?
You want to come out and get a snow cone?
Not really.
But you've been inside all day. It'll take like 15 minutes.
No thanks.
Come on, it'll be fun.
I can't stop now. I'm almost to level 12. When you get to level 12, you unlock the Battle Gloves of Talak.
What does that mean?
It means I can up my attack points by 10.
I see. Can I try?
I don't know. It's kind of,
It's what?
well,
What do you mean?
you know, it's complicated.
I can learn. Let me try.
Game pause.
Okay, you can join in.
New player joined.
Here's how you play. So the red button jumps, the blue button attacks.
Uh-huh.
The top button picks up objects, bottom button switches weapons.
Yeah.
Right button makes you dodge, left button is turbo, the orange button is for special attacks. Green is if you want to play this trading card game, but that's stupid, so don't ever do that. This button is your map, and that's how you pause. Push this one twice if you want to take a screenshot of your game, and this one is for...
Okay, I got it.
So that's it. Now all you do is walk up to the enemy and just...
Attack!
Nice job.
Like that?
Yeah. Well, you just push the same button over and over. You see, you need to plan out your attack.
Okay.
Perfect attack bonus.
No, see, you did the same button again. You need to use your special attacks at the right time. It's all about strategy.
You play your way, I'll play mine.
Alright, but you'll be sorry.
Ultra combination. Excellent move. Next level. Careful. Reload. Incineration. Double attack point. Next level. Shields down. Recharge. Triple attack. Best attack ever. Total destruction. You play much better than your partner. Congratulations. Objective complete.
Yes! Level 16! Woohoo!
Game pause.
I don't want to play anymore.
What's wrong? We're about to open up the next level.
I don't care, I'm getting a snow cone.
Hey, get me one while you're out.